Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to hard reset Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. If you forget the password of your Qnet Mobile C32, okay, this is the solution. The first things you can do is power up your Qnet mobile phone, okay? After the phone power up, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the power button and the volume down. If you see the logo, remove or release the power button. After you see the no command, okay, release the volume down button. After no command, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the power button and the volume up. To show the Android recovery. To move, you'll have to do is press the volume down or up. And select the wipe data or factory reset. And after you select, press the power button to OK. Then select yes. And press again the power button. And after that, okay, select reboot and press OK or power button. And okay, you can see the welcome and tap the got it button. And that's it. We have successfully hard reset the Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.